Horseshoe man been working his magic, fixing heartbreak everywhere. He's the one we all can count on when we're lost and don't know where love is. He takes the pieces in his hand, shakes them up like he doesn't care. He says that there